Okay, we're going to look at the different orthographic orientations for a multi-view type of drawing. And so if you look at the drawing here, you can see that it has 6 different views. Just like any object can have 6 different views. And so here would be one view. I looked at the top of it, another view, the right side of it, another view, the left side of it, another view, the back, another view, and the bottom, another view. So every object can have 6 different views. It's very important when you're doing orthographic projections and multi-view sketching that the views are placed correctly, identified correctly, and that they are aligned correctly. And so the first thing I'm going to show you is the front view of an object should always be in the middle. And so if I look at this object, this would be the view that is in the middle. And so if you don't know what view you're looking at, find the view that is between 2 other views. That's the one that will be the front view. And so again, if we are looking at our part, this is what we're seeing right here in the front view. There's 2 things that we don't see. We see a dashed line or a hidden line right here, and also a hidden line right here. That hidden line represents this feature. So what it's basically doing is it's right here and it shows that something is behind there. And so that's why you see a hidden line on that view. Same with this up here. There's a hidden line right there. It's showing that feature, right? Directly to the above the front view is the top view of the object. All right. So again, if we looked at our object from the top, you can see how this surface matches this surface here, and so on. This surface is that surface, and that's how that's taken care of. If we look at the right view of it, the right view is always directly to the right of the front view. So this would be called the right view or the right side view. Again, we see this surface and this surface here, here, and here. The left side view would be directly to the left of the front view. And so we see that shape, and now we see hidden lines to represent those features that are hidden in that view. Directly below the front view, so here's the front view. If I turn my object 90 degrees, we have the bottom view. So the bottom view is here, and again we have hidden lines to represent those features that are hidden in that view. The last view we have is the back view. And so if I look at the left side view and I turn it 90 degrees, I can see that I have the back view. And for this part, the back view is very similar to the front view. So that's how the parts work out when creating a multi-view example. One last thing that I want to show you is not only are they oriented in the space they are, so the front view is always in the middle, the top view is always directly above the front view, and the right side view is always directly to the right of the front view. The dimensions line up. And so if I put a straight edge on this, you see that these lines line up perfectly. That should always happen. When I move to this line, it lines up with how that line is represented in the top view. And so it's represented with a solid line, and in the bottom view it's represented with a hidden line, and so on down the object. Here, this feature is represented with the object line in the top view, but in the front view is a hidden line. So it works that way, and it also works this way. All of these object lines for the base line up. If I move up to the next line, they line up perfectly. If I move up to the next line, all of those items line up. So it's really important when you're creating multi-view drawings that all of the views line up.